Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AQILAH binti Abdul Malik.
My name is NURUL binti RIZAN.
My name is NURUL ERINA SHUHADA binti
AMIRAH binti RAMLI.
My name is ADILAH binti MUSTAFA.
Okay, our group name is Brain Virus. I will now explain the group member roles. First of all, AMIRAH binti RAMLI. She is the project manager, which will work as planning, executing, closing the project. Next is me, AQILAH binti Abdul Malik, which is the assistant manager and the database designer. My role is to assist the project manager to coordinate the project activities, gather information to be recorded in the database, design the database structure. Next is the data analysis, NURUL ERINA SHUHADA binti ZUBIR. Her role is to review and study the design of the database and make an improvement. Next, HUSNA binti RIZAN. She is the database programmer. She will develop, implementing, controlling, testing and maintaining the process of modification for database. And lastly, ADILAH binti MUSTAFA, which is the documentation officer. She ensures that all export documents have the quality of high value data for accuracy, consistency and comparability of the project. We will make a database system for a company name, Nizalis Enterprise, which is located in Penang. This database system named DVD Rental Management System. This DVD Rental Management System function as data storage management for this company to keep track of everything. So next, we will continue with the problem statement.
Now, I will explain about problem statement. Problem statement is a concise description of an issue to be addressed or a condition to be improved upon. It identifies the gap between the current problem state and desired or goal state of a process or product. As we can see here, the problem for our company is DVD rental management system required the data of the DVD, the renter and the data of the customer that is renting the DVD. So we have to solve the problem by having a clear way to record the total DVD rent by the customer. Next, the company have to record the total DVD rent to track the total DVD in stocks that will be used by all customers who's renting the DVD. However, they can avoid the difficulty or tracking the customer exceed due date of submission of the DVD. The company needs to have a complete data such as the date and due date of renting the DVD. Finally, the data records will have data redundancy that can duplicate that data in multiple files. To ensure data redundancy do not occur, we will use database normalization and make the best possible usage of storage. Thank you.
Next, objective of purpose system. The objective of the purpose system is to design a database system of a DVD rental management system among the staff of the company to show basically on how the database management system DBMS is used by the company to run the DVD rental issue. By using DBMS, the process of renting the DVD is easier. The company can track the records of the DVD rent by the customers for any inconvenience related to that DVD. This gives the manager of the company advantages to supervise the data, the number of DVD available in stocks, the number of DVD rent, the detail on the customer that are renting that DVD. This is to make sure that DVD rent is returned to the company once the date is of submitting the DVD is overdue, or else the customer will be fined. Next is able to check out on the rating of the movies based on the highest total of DVD rent, and it helps customers to suggest what movie is currently on demand.
Next, business rules. Business rules are set of proposed guidelines or framework within an organization. They simplify daily operations of any organization from an engineering perspective. A business rule is a set of rules. In our project, business rule is in each branch, they can hire many staff and a staff can work at one and only branch. Next, each staff can handle many DVDs, while each DVD can only be handled by one and only staff. Next, one DVD can be listed in many rentals, but each rental can only list only one DVD. And each customer can rent up to many rentals, and each rental can be rented by one and only customer.
Okay, now I would like to explain about the entity relationship diagram, also known as ERD, that we have designed and created. The purpose of this ERD is to present an overall system architecture that involves the definition of business objects and define explicitly the columns in each entity, and also to introduce operational and transactional entities. This ERD consists of 5 tables with entities named as branch, staff, DVD, customer, and rental. Table branch is designed so that user can seek information regarding the store branch available around Malaysia. Table staff is designed to provide information for each staff that has been hired by their branch. Next, table DVD is designed to provide detailed information regarding the DVD owned by the store. Table rental is designed to provide records of the rental made by the customer. And lastly, table customer is designed to provide customers detail. Each entity is connected using one-to-many relationships. Weak relationship exists between table branch and table staff. Same goes to table staff and table DVD. The reason is because primary key of related entity does not contain primary key component of parent entity. While strong relationship exists between table DVD and table rental, same goes to table rental and customer. The reason is because primary key of related entity contains primary component of parent entity. The position of each entity is arranged carefully so that the information obtained will not be meaningless. For instance, table rental is arranged between table customer and DVD, so that the rental information can also relate to the customer and DVD information. By creating this ERD, the objective of the purpose system can be satisfied. Firstly, the company can track the records of the DVD rent by the customer for any inconvenience related to the DVD through table rental. Next, the manager can seek information regarding the number of DVD available in stock and the number of DVD rented out through table DVD. Besides that, the details on the customer that are renting the DVD can be sought from table customer. The information regarding the date of return, date of view, and fine for the DVD is also provided in table rental. Lastly, staff can check up on rating of the movie based on the highest total of the DVD rent out through joining the table rental and table DVD in order to help customers in suggesting what movie is currently on demand. Thank you.
As a conclusion, database management system is far more efficient mechanism to store and organize data than spreadsheets. Thus, we have successfully designed a database system for DVD rental management system. We found that there are no data redundancy occur. Lastly, we managed to complete the objective where customers can provide their ratings feedback for the DVD movies they had rented.
Okay, so next, firstly when we open the access, we will have to enter the password. This password login page is used to make this database system is more secure, and only the owner can access it.
As in this database, there are some data forms that will be staff at the company. First, customer data entry form is for the staff. So the data that will be in this form will be entered by the manager of the company so that they can declare their staff that work in their company. Next, PPT data entry form. This form will be filled by the staff to the details that the customer rent their DVD. Next, rental data entry form. This rental data entry form will keep the data that is entered by the staff about the customer details. Next, customer report. This report is about the customer details on the DVD that they rent. Next, customer details report. This is the details of the customer that rent their DVD at the company. Next, DVD stock report. DVD stock report is the report which able the company to know the current DVD that is in their stock. Next, DVD rental report that is rented to their customer.
Moving on to form. For this company, we divided to 3 forms. Data entry form, master form, and subform. Existing entries and the ability to edit or delete the data. As we can see here, we have 5 data entry. There are branch, customer, DVD, rental, and staff data entry. This data entry belongs to table. Next, master forms. Master forms are used to display data from 2 tables at the same time. The forms are linked according to the relationship between the tables. For this company, we provide the DVD master form. As we can see here, it displays DVD and rental table at the same time because these 2 tables are linked together. The DVD ID for DVD and rental table are both primary key. In general, a subform is a form with its own data source that is embedded in another master form. Subforms provide a powerful way to easily see related data, especially one-to-many relationship without writing code. Access automatically filters the data in the subform based on data in the master form.
Okay, now let's proceed to add data for each of the table that has been created. I will start with table branch. So the new branch code is 1003. Branch address is 16 Jalan Damai Perdana. Branch state is Pulau Pinang. Branch phone number is 042345 5678. Okay. And branch person in charge is NURUL. Branch opening hours, let's say 11 p.m. And then I'm going to click at the submit button. After that, I'm going to look at the the table branch to see whether the data has been successfully added. And as you can see, this is the new data that I have keyed in just now, so it has been successfully added. Next, let's proceed to table staff. So staff data entry. The new staff ID will be 303. Staff name is NURUL. Staff gender is female. Staff position is manager. So the new staff phone number is 019-123 and 679. Okay, so the new branch code will be 1003. Click on the submit button, and then I'm going to check at table staff. NURUL. Okay, so NURUL has been successfully added. Next, we're going to proceed with table DVD. So DVD data entry. The DVD ID will be 2533. Movie title will be Pascal. DVD genre is action. Date release, let's say 27 September 2018. So total in stock 767. Total rent out is 55. DVD price, let's say 4 ringgit. And staff ID will be 303. Submit, and then look at the DVD table. Yes, there it is, Pascal. Okay, next is table customer. Okay, customer data entry. Customer ID, let's say AP32. Customer first name Mini. Customer last name Monira. Customer address, let's say number 32 Jalan Cili Tanjung. Customer phone number 019-872-3311. Customer email is mimi_monira@gmail.com. Okay, click on the submit button, and then look at the customer table. Where is Mimi Monira? Okay, here it is, Mimi Monira. It has been successfully added. And lastly is table rental. So rental data entry. The BINTI ID will be 2533. Customer ID is AP23, and the total borrow is C1. Date borrow 1st April 2020. Okay, and then date due will be 14 April 20. Oopsie, 20. Okay, and then total date overdue, let's say 2, so the fine will be 2 ringgit. DVD rating, let's give it 3. Rental fee will be, just now the DVD price is 4 ringgit, so that's not fine, 2 ringgit, so total will be 6 ringgit. 6 ringgit, okay. And then submit. And then we're going to check out the rental. Okay, here is the new data. 2523, AP23, 1st March, 14 April 2233. Okay, so as you can see, all of the data entry form has successfully added a new data.
And now we proceed to report. First of all is the customer report. Okay, this is the customer report, which show the customer first name, customer last name, customer address, customer phone number, and customer email. This report will show all the customer that have rented the DVD at this company. So this is all of their details. Next is staff report. This DVD report will show about staff ID, DVD ID, movie title, DVD gender, date release, total in stock, total rented out, DVD price. This report is booked by staff ID. This will show which staff that handle which DVD, and this is also it's a summary for total in stock. So we have the grand total for the total in stock. Next is is rental report. Rental report will show total borrow, DVD ID, customer ID, date borrow, date due, total day overdue, total fine, DVD rating, rental fee. This report is grouped by total borrow, which is either they borrowed 1, borrowed 2, or 3. So, this is also show the summary of the total borrow. So, for the total borrow is 3, so the rental fee is 24. So, this show the summary of total borrow. 46 grand total is 100.
For report based on query, this report is based on the query, so it matches the objective. For the customer details report, the owner can supervise the details on the customer that are renting the DVD. So here we can see the customer ID, customer first name, customer last name, address, phone number, customer email, DVD ID, and movie title. Next we have DVD rating report. In this report, it shows that the total borrowed DVD and the DVD rating, so it makes it easier to suggest for the customer based on the rating. Next we have DVD rental report. This is for record on the customer who on the dates they borrowed, due dates, and if they retain the booklet if that available, and the DVD that have been rent.
Okay, this is all from us about the database system, the presentation before. So thank you for listening to our presentation.